Hello everyone, welcome to the demo video of Yajamani POS system. So first of all you have to log in with your credentials and then go to home screen. See, the Yajamani POS system has been designed in a way that the business owner can access all his business data in a one web page. Let's say for example total purchase here, total sales, purchase due, invoice due and the expenses. And you can filter this by using this here filter like date, last 7 days, 30 days, month or the last month on the financial year. Okay, and then here coming to down, here you can see a pictographical values of the last 30 days sales, and here the current financial year sales, and here the sales payment due list and the purchase payment due list, and the product stock alert and the stock expiry alert, and the sales order list and the pending shipments list. Okay, and coming to the left, here all the functions are available here in order to access the business data from this Yajamani POS account. Okay, so there is no need of installing other softwares in order to access the business data. Okay, so and then the Yajamani POS system is a cloud service and hosted on a world-renowned servers. So the downtime will be very minimum. Okay, and the data will be secured by the SSL security, and the business owner is no need to worry about the data privacy and the downtime of the server. Okay, and one another important thing here is the business owner can access all the data from anywhere on the globe as it is a cloud service. Okay, and for our competitors are there, so for them in order to access the business data you have to go to that respected business location, and then you have to view all the data from a computer where the software has been installed. Okay, for this Yajamani POS system so there is no need of installing any other softwares or any other web pages, so you can simply access all your business data from your mobile phone or a tab or a laptop on from anywhere on the globe. Okay, and then coming here, so these are the main functions available in this Yajamani POS account, and I will give an overview of them. So coming to this home screen, so this is the home screen. You can view all the overview of all the business data, and then here the functions are available, so you can simply click on that whatever the function you want to view or the data business data you want to view. Okay, so and then coming to this user management, so here you can list the users who can use this Yajamani POS account, and here you can assign the roles of that users, and here you can add the sales commission agents list with all his details. Okay, and then coming to the contacts, here you can add the supplier contacts and the customer contacts, and you can segregate the customers into different groups like business group or the relatives group or family group or friends group, and you can give discounts to respected groups. And here if you are using this Yajamani POS system for the first time, and if you are having contacts at your particular business location, so you can import all the contacts in a one go by downloading this template file, and you have to enter all the data in an Excel sheet, so by following these instructions. Okay, and then coming to the products, so here you can see all the list of the products available. So for the pharmacy, so there you can add all the medicines names like Cetirizine or Displatel or Dolocare or the glycerol or vitamin E, like that. And here you can see the product stock available. Okay, and if you want to add a product, so click on the add product. So here you can give all the data which is necessary like product name and the SKU is the stock keeping unit. And one more important thing here is, if you don't know any word meaning in this whole Yajamani POS system, so here there is a help icon here, so you can simply place your cursor on this help icon and it will give a simple definition so that the business owner can read it and understand it. And so by this the business owner doesn't require any accountant to manage his business data. Okay, and coming to this print labels, so there will be medicines which are doesn't have any labels, or if you want to make door-to-door service or a parcel or a package, So in order on that package itself, there should be a label which will describe all the product details. So the Yajamani POS will give an option to print the labels also for all the available products at a particular business location for all the available medicines. Okay. And then the variations, so the variations in the medicines, and then here you can add a list of variations, okay, in the pharmaceutical companies. And then here, if you are using this Yajamani for the first time, so you can import products so which are available at a particular business location, and then the similarly goes to this opening stock also, and the selling price group. So here you can add a different groups like the wholesale or the retail sale. Okay, so you can add a group here. And then coming to the units, so the pharmacy, all the medicines will be sold in pieces only, so mainly the pieces. Okay, or else you can mention, you can add a new unit like packs, or 12 pieces or 24 pieces like that. And then here the categories, so here you can add different categories like bandages, bottle or capsule, or cream, drops, gel, injection or tonic like that. And here the brands, so here you can add different brands like Aquino, Cipla or the Mankind like that. And here you can add the warranties. Okay, so here you can add all the, if there are any warranties available. And one more important thing here is in the add product here for the pharmacy, here these two are the important, like expires in, so each and every medicine has an expiry date, so you can add it here. And here you can add a rack, row and the position of that particular medicine at your particular business location, so you can add it, so in order to identify it easily. Okay, and then here coming to this purchases, here you can add you can see the list of purchases from where from which supplier you have brought the medicines, and here you can add a purchase here, and the purchase returns also. Okay, so you can have a list of the all the purchase returns. Okay, and then coming to the sale, so here you can see all the sales, and you can add a sale or the POS. POS is a point of screen, point of sale. So this is mainly the cashier will be using this, and here you can see the POS is designed in a way that the billing can be done within no time or the less time. So here you can add the customer name, and here the product name or SKU, or you can scan the barcode, or else you can simply click on the product and it will add it here, so you can increase the quantity from here. Okay, and here you can add the order tax or a discount or the shipping. Okay, and if there are many products available, you can filter the products by using these categories and the brands also. Okay, and from this down options, you can make a draft or quotation, or you can suspend the sale, or you can give a credit sale to the particular customer, and you can accept the card payment or multiple payments like PhonePe, GPay or BharatPe, and the cash. Okay, and here from the recent transactions, you can see the recent final transactions or the quotations and the drafts. Okay, and then going back to the home screen, and coming to this cell POS, and you can add a draft, and you can view the list of drafts, and you can same goes to this quotation, add quotations and the list quotations, and the list sale returns. So if there are any sale returns of the medicine, so you can add a list here. And the shipments, you can view the list of the shipments and the discounts, so you can add discounts on each and every product, like add product. So here you can add a product. Okay, and with all the details, brand, category and all those things. And if you have made, or if you are made sales before using this Yajamani POS system, so you can import the sales details also. And coming to this stock transfers, so if you have multiple locations, so you can add the stock transfers from one location to another location, or from warehouse to the business location. Okay, so you can have a list of how many products have been transferred from one location to another location and all those things, so which product and all those things like that. And you can have a list, and you can add a stock transfer and the stock adjustment also. So if there is any damage to that medicines available at a particular business location, so you can adjust that amount by selling it differently. Okay, or in other price like that. So you can have a list of the stock adjustments. And then coming to the expenses, so you can add the expenses and you can add expenses, and you can have a list of the expenses, and you can categorize the expenses like business location, rent, employee salaries, or the power bills, and the miscellaneous daily needs like that. And coming to the reports is an important and the pivotal option or the function available in this Yajamani POS system. So by these reports only the business owner can assess his business needs, okay, and he can take decisions in order to grow their business. Coming to this profit or loss report, so here the business owner can view the profit or loss report with all this data, the opening stock and the closing stock, and the gross profit, net profit, and the profit by products, profit by categories, and the profit by brands, and the profit by locations, and the profit by invoice, and by date, customer, and by day also. And the same goes to this product purchase report, so purchasing of report, and the sales representative report, like the sales persons in that particular business locations report, and the register report, the cash register report, and the expense report, the expenses report which occur at a particular business location, and the sell payment report, and the purchase payment report, product sell report, items report, okay, and the product purchase and sale report, trending products. So this is one interesting one. So here you can see which product is trending in a pictographical way, like the total units sold and the values, okay, and the same goes to the stock adjustment report and the stock expiry report, okay. So this is a main report for this medicines. So you can see on which date it will expire, like that, okay. So here you can see the manufacturing date and the expiry date, okay. And then the stock report, so how much stock available at a particular business location, so which product is available with all the price and all those things, closing stock price, okay, by sale price and by purchase price and potential profit, like that. So you can see all the stock report, and the customer group reports, and the supplier and customer report, and the tax report. So here you can see all the taxes which will be applicable to the input, output, and the expense taxes, okay. And the activity log, where you can see all the activities which are done in this Yajamani POS account, okay. And then coming to this notification templates, see the Yajamani POS has this option, like you can send notifications to customers and the suppliers, okay, for the new sale. Coming to this customer notifications for the new sale, payment received, payment reminder, new booking, or the new quotation. So you can send an email, SMS, and the WhatsApp text. So nowadays the WhatsApp marketing is an important aspect in order to grow their business. So the WhatsApp marketing is also included in this Yajamani POS system. And then coming to the supplier notifications, so the new order notification, or the payment paid notification, item received, or items pending. So you can send an email, SMS, and the WhatsApp, okay. And then coming to the settings, so here you can adjust or upgrade or modify the settings according to their business needs, okay. Coming to this business settings, so here you can add a business name, currency, symbol, placement, and all those things, logo and all. And coming to the tax, here you can enter the tax details, like the same goes to the product, okay, and the contact and the sale, POS, purchases, dashboard, system, prefixes, email, and the SMS settings. So in order to send this notification templates, here you have to adjust the SMS APIs and the email APIs, okay, configuration. And then the reward point settings, so in order to attract the customer, so you can have this reward point settings also. So here you can adjust the earning point settings and the redeem point settings, and the same goes to the modules and the custom labels, okay. And you can adjust the business locations, okay, settings, and the invoice settings, and the barcode settings, and the receipt printers. So the Yajamani POS has been designed in a way that it will accept any type of printer, including the thermal printers also, okay. And then coming to this tax rates, here you can add the individual tax rates here, and then individual tax rates according to the products available at a particular business location, and here the tax groups, like a combination of SGST and the CGST, like that. So this is an overview of all the functions available in this Yajamani POS system. So that's it. Thank you for listening and watching.